Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones JVS. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button until you can see the LED light it start flashing blue. Here we go. Now close the charging case. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically, but as you can see it now didn't enter to prank mode, so just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, open it again and remove your headphones from the charging case. And now click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!